This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play CS:GO 2. To begin, you'll need a personal computer and a Steam account. Counter-Strike 2 is a free-to-play title, so there is no purchase necessary. Simply navigate to the Steam store page, search for Counter-Strike 2, and click the Play Game button to initiate the download. Ensure your system meets the minimum specifications for a smooth experience. Once in-game, focus on core mechanics. Precise aiming and controlled shooting are paramount. Each weapon has a unique recoil pattern. Learning to compensate for this is crucial for accuracy. Additionally, utility grenades are vital. Smokes block vision, flashbangs blind enemies, and Molotovs deny areas, offering tactical advantages in every round. CS:GO 2 offers several game modes. Competitive is the primary 5 vs 5 experience, focusing on bomb defusal or hostage rescue objectives across 15 rounds. Casual mode provides a less intense environment to practice and enjoy the game. Deathmatch is excellent for warming up and improving your raw aiming ability through constant engagements with other players. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Utilize community servers and aim training maps to refine your mechanics. Observing professional players can reveal advanced tactics and positioning. Crucially, effective communication with your teammates is essential for coordinated pushes, retakes, and overall team success. Work together to achieve victory in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.